Record. Alright, hey everybody. And I'm sorry, that's my little cousin. It's your boy D or Drek. Here to play some air raid basketball. Let me tell you a funny story. I just played this, but the camera on my thing was wrong. Can't believe it. I did all that recording for about an hour. I'm going to show you a little bit of practice. I'm then going to go into battle versus battle. So this man, right? Let me show you something. Cash. Cash. I'm sorry, traveling. Watch this. All you getting gameplay. None of it's going to get. Free throw. Yep, that's it. Okay, that was battle. Player versus no baby stat person. Not exactly. But you know what? You got to get to the free point line. Nothing happens. So, you know, this is a new channel for us. And I just want people out there to know that I'm out there, you know. I want to make videos. I enjoy doing this. So, I would like to get subscribers. There it is. You know I can win and I want people to watch. You know? And I'm a big basketball fanatic. I'm fanatic about basketball. So a lot of videos I do about basketball, video games, basketball stuff, basketball vlogs, like that. When I get a new camcorder, I'm going to do NBA 2K14 videos. My Xbox One isn't working currently, but when I get a chance to, I will use some games. When I can. And hope I don't lose them. And I pretty much lost. This is just a basic game. Out there knowing I'm out here. I'll be doing a series called Urban Basketball. Urban Basketball will be a series but and you know, like any other basketball series. Let me just get this gun down, so I'm gonna let him score. Thanks for watching, if you're watching, and subscribe, give me a like, a comment,